Chairperson Honorable Sujata Koirala for your welcome remarks.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I am pleased to join the program. I would like to extend cordial greetings and warm welcome to the distinguished panelists and participants. I appreciate Mr. Somnath Khimire, the President of the H.P. Koirala Foundation America, for taking the initiative to host a series of programs under the Global Forum. Human trafficking is a crime. It is a modern form of slavery. Even in 21st century, trafficking continues despite our best efforts to combat this menace. It is a matter of shame for all of us and needs to be decisively stopped. Human trafficking remains a big challenge for countries, their law enforcement and agencies, human rights activists, and other stakeholders alike who are tasked to tackling the issue. Efforts have not been adequate for rescue and repatriation of trafficked persons. Women and girls are bearing the brunt of pandemic's impact. We find that even during pandemic, human trafficking continues across Asia-Pacific region, where individuals are victims of forced labor and labor trafficking, causing extra pain and trauma to our society. Human trafficking has flourished under the guise of foreign employment and child labor, making up nearly 70% of the total trafficked population, followed by those from the entertainment sector and those reported missing. Poverty, lack of education, rising unemployment, and awareness remain a challenge for any country. Agents find it easy to lure potential victims who are not even aware of what might happen to them. They are forced into slavery and sex trade. Trafficked girls and women are subjected to sex slavery and physical and sexual abuse at the hands of employers at domestic jobs. They can even fall victims to organ trade. There has been a lack of coherent response to trafficking. Intercepting potential victims is quite difficult. The state needs to invest more on awareness campaigns, education, and poverty eradication. Trafficking Victims Protection Act as tools to combat trafficking in persons, both worldwide and domestically, needs to be strengthened. Pandemic has posed serious threat to human capital. When humanity is under threat, its skills, knowledge, and health go weak. When a society is deprived of human skills, knowledge, and health, nations suffer. It is our utmost duty to come together, express solidarity, show more cooperation, collaboration to fight this invisible foe virus, protect humanity. Only by working together, we can tackle the human trafficking and restore normalcy in our societies. I would like to inform that GPK Foundation, along with Sushma Memorial Trust, are engaged in various activities that are aimed at enhancing human capital, its skills, knowledge, and health. Thank you all for coming together in this pandemic and for your solidarity to stand together. I wish the program all success. Thank you.